Ginger is widely recognized as one of the healthiest spices in the world. Not only is it a good source of nutrition, but it contains important bioactive compounds that research has shown can provide medicinal benefits as well as promote our overall health. It contains a powerful and unique compound known as gingerol, which provides important medicinal properties. You can add ginger easily into your diet by adding it to smoothies, recipes, and tea recipes. If using ginger as a powder, 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon per day is more than enough and can also be consumed raw or dried. Now, let's discuss some of the amazing ways ginger can provide medicinal benefits naturally. Ginger has long been used as a natural medicinal food source due to its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. This is often attributed to its bioactive compounds, with the most important being gingerol. This incredibly healthy compound is a potent antioxidant that not only boosts our immune system and promotes its proper function, but can also help to reduce the risk of many chronic diseases, such as osteoarthritis and heart disease. Regular consumption of ginger can also help to naturally and effectively treat nausea symptoms. Studies have shown that ginger can relieve nausea and vomiting, and is especially effective against morning sickness. Due to its potent anti-inflammatory compounds, it can also help to improve digestion and relieve digestive-related ailments, such as chronic indigestion. Not only can ginger effectively treat muscle soreness and muscle pain, but it can also help treat osteoarthritis symptoms, a disorder that negatively affects the joints of the body and can lead to degeneration and stiffness. Again, this is due to the potent anti-inflammatory compounds found in ginger, as well as its high levels of antioxidants and nutrition. Regular consumption of ginger can also help to improve the overall health of our heart and reduce the risk of developing heart disease. It can also help treat and regulate many of the risk factors associated with heart disease. Ginger has been found to be an effective natural remedy for lowering cholesterol levels. Studies have shown that regular consumption of ginger lead to significant reductions in cholesterol and lower bad LDL cholesterol in the body. Ginger can also lower triglycerides and total cholesterol. Due to the potent antioxidants and bioactive compounds in ginger, it can help to improve overall brain function and protect against unwanted brain disorders, such as Alzheimer's disease. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.